Hey y'all, welcome to our herd of worms. A few subscribers have asked me what kind of material we use for our worm bedding, and I figured the best way was just make a video and show y'all. Best part is, it doesn't cost us any money. We already have enough to make a couple tons. And once the herd goes to work on it, hopefully a ton of castings. In this video, I'm going to show you how we do it. So when we first started off with our small bins, we used cocoa core, which we bought online. But now that we're scaling up to the big bins that can hold a ton or two, that isn't very practical anymore. So what we've done is started reaching out to the local tree trimming companies here in our area and asking them if they can bring us truckloads of their chipper mulch. And by reaching out, I mean whenever I'd see these crews working in our area, I'll just pull right off the side of the road and ask them for it. Most of the time, they're happy to do it. It's normally close by the farm here, and it actually saves them time and money not having to haul it to the local landfill. So it's a win-win for both of us, I think. It's also nice to be able to repurpose this stuff and turn it into something that will help benefit the farms and gardens in our community, instead of it going to waste and clogging up the landfill. And that's another win in our book. Now, these truckloads are pretty large, so you probably wouldn't want them to come dump it in your driveway at the house there, but fortunately we had plenty of room here at Herd of Worms Farm. So from here, the mulch goes into these large compost enclosures to start breaking down. They're basically just chicken wire wrapped with some landscape fabric we already had on hand. This helps keep it moist in the hot Florida sun, and that helps speed up the composting process. We turn them every couple weeks, occasionally wet them down with the water hose, and we're hoping these two batches will be ready to sift and add to our bins later this year. In the meantime, I found some good compost and topsoil mix from a local nursery, and we'll be using that until our compost is ready to go. Just need to give it a quick sifting and it'll be ready to add to the bins. Hopefully this helps you all out there with the bigger bins to start making some larger quantities of castings. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably enjoy the rest of the content we're working on. Please hit that like and subscribe button. We'd love to have you all join our herd. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. We read and try to answer each and every one. Thanks for watching.